Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video on this new channel. On this channel we're gonna unbox Apple products because I like Apple and I just like it. So we're just going in for unboxing on Apple AirPods. So yeah. Okay, so the first thing we see here is just the case, as you can see. I think you just started unboxing it right now. So open. Designed by Apple in California. Okay, so now we open this. And here we have the AirPods. Oh my god. Come on. Let's go. Look at that. Okay, taking off here. And here we have the Apple AirPods right away. That's very nice. Oh my god, that's so nice. I'm gonna try that in my ear. So comfortable. Oh my god. Okay, we're not taking sound test because I'm filming with my phone, so we can't take phone test. So hopefully it's coming more videos if I get more Apple products. So bye and see you in the next video.